Who is the current head of ISRO? Correct answer is option B. Dr. V. Narayan is the current head of ISRO. What is the function of the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S? Correct answer is option A. Save the current document or file. What is the full form of ASCII? Correct answer is option A. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Which of the following is a pass in the Western Ghats? Correct answer is option C. Hor Ghat is the pass in the Western Ghat. Who won the Polly Umrigar Award Best International Woman Character for the 2023-24 session? Correct answer is option C. Simriti Mandhana. What lies between the Himalayas and the Deccan Plateau? Correct answer is option B. Indo-Gangetic Plain. Which Indian state has the largest area of desert? Correct answer is option B. Rajasthan has the largest area of desert. Which is the easternmost point of India? Correct answer is option A. Kipto is the easternmost point of India. What was the collector of wealth called during the Gupta period? Correct answer is option B. Samhartak. Who was the founder of the Matrika dynasty? Correct answer is option C. Bhattarka. The Toss River is a tributary of which of the following rivers? Correct answer is option C. Yamuna River. Which metal coins were most commonly used during the Maurya period? Correct answer is option B. Silver and copper coins. Who has been appointed as the new managing director of NAFED? Correct answer is option C. When was the Make in India program launched? Correct answer is option C. 25 September 2014. When was the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A. 25 June 2015. Who is the author of the book Ik Aur Ashwatthama? Correct answer is option C. Chaman Arora. Umar Abdullah has recently been appointed the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. He represents which political party? Correct answer is option C. Freon 12 is prepared from CCl4 carbon tetrachloride by the reaction with which of the following? Correct answer is option B. Hydrogen fluoride. Which part of the Indian Constitution were municipalities added by the 74 Constitutional Amendment Act? Correct answer is option C. Niti Pass was an ancient trade route between India and which country? Correct answer is option D. The concept of judicial review in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? Correct answer is option C, United States of America. In which region in relation to the Malwa Plateau is the Chota Nagpur Plateau located? Correct answer is option C, East. With which battle did the French challenge to British supremacy in India come to an end? Correct answer is option D, Battle of Vandy Vash. Who was the captain of the Mumbai Indians in the Women Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option C, Harmanpreet Kaur. Harishna was the court poet of which ruler? Correct answer is option A, Samudragupta. On whose advice does the President of India perform his administrative functions? Correct answer is option C, Council of Ministers. Who discovered penicillin? Correct answer is option C, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. What was the relation between Ashoka and Bindusara? Correct answer is option C, Ashoka was the son of Bindusara. What is the full form of the word CD? Correct answer is option C, compact disc. What is the full form of CMOS? Correct answer is option B, complementary metal oxide semiconductor.